12 Methods How to Skin Care Guide Lady. Caring for your facial skin is essential for maintaining a healthy, radiant complexion. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to care for your face. 1. Identify your skin type. Understanding your skin type, dry, oily, combination, sensitive, or normal, is crucial as it helps in choosing the right products and routines. 2. Daily cleansing. Cleanse your face twice a day, morning and night, to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Use a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser suitable for your skin type. Avoid harsh soaps that can strip your skin of its natural oils. 3. Exfoliation. Exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times a week to remove dead skin cells, allowing better absorption of skincare products. Use a mild exfoliant suited for your skin type to avoid irritation. For moisturizing, hydrate your skin by using a good quality moisturizer suitable for your skin type. Moisturizing keeps your skin soft, supple, and prevents dryness or excessive oil production. 5. Sun protection. Apply sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect your skin from harmful UV rays, which can cause premature aging and skin damage. 6. Eye cream. Use an eye cream to address concerns like puffiness, dark circles, or fine lines around the eyes. Gently applied using your ring finger to avoid putting too much pressure on the delicate skin. 7. Serums and treatments. Incorporate serums or treatment products into your routine based on specific skin concerns, such as acne, pigmentation, or aging. Vitamin C serums, hyaluronic acid, or retinoids can be beneficial, but consult a dermatologist for personalized advice. 8. Healthy lifestyle. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and antioxidants contributes to healthy skin. Stay hydrated, get enough sleep, and manage stress as they also impact your skin's health. 9. Avoid touching your face. Minimize touching your face to reduce the spread of bacteria and prevent breakouts. Clean your phone screen regularly and avoid resting your chin or cheeks on your hands. 10. Remove makeup before bed. Always remove makeup before going to bed. Sleeping with makeup on can clog pores, leading to breakouts and dull-looking skin. 11. Professional skin care. Consider regular facials or professional treatments tailored to your skin type and concerns. These can include chemical peels, microdermabrasion, or facials performed by licensed estheticians. 12. Adapt to seasonal changes. Adjust your skincare routine according to the weather. For instance, in winter, you might need heavier moisturizers, while in summer, lighter formulations are preferable. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. While these tips offer general guidance, it's important to listen to your skin's needs and adjust your routine accordingly. If you have persistent skin issues or concerns, consulting a dermatologist or skincare professional is recommended for personalized advice and treatment. Please help subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching my video. See you soon. I wish you good luck.